What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be taking a look at a monocular telescope. Now, this was sent out to me by the company Amither. Big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. I'll definitely drop the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go over and pick this up or read up about it. So this is a 12x42 monocular telescope. It's a compact, handheld, high-powered HD telescope. Some of the features and details. So this features the BAK4 prism and FMC lens for clear images. It's low light vision compatible. It has 12 times magnification for clear, detailed viewing. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use. Now the field of view on this is going to be up to 1,000 yards. Now it has a single hand focus knob, which is going to make it easy to adjust the focus quickly and accurately. So those are a few of the features and details. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description. Here's the packaging that it comes in. You guys see on the front of it here. Now this is going to be good for boating, yachting, sports, bird watching, auto racing, horse racing, hunting, beach, and travel. So that is that. So let's go ahead and get into the package and check this out. Now, this is going to be great for me because I'm going to a game this weekend, going to the Dallas Cowboys versus the New Orleans Saints. And if they allow this to come in the building, then I'll definitely bring it in and use it. So not sure what the rules are these days now. User's manual, you're going to get that in case you need to read up about it. They give you a nice microfiber cleaning cloth to keep your lenses clean. And they give you a lanyard. Make it easy to keep up with it. Now, it comes in a nice little carrying case. You do have a belt loop right there if you want to use the belt loop. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at what else is here. So you get your monocular here. And straight off the rip, it has a nice weight to it. It's going to be rubber and plastic build. You guys see you got some grip here. You do have a place here where you can place this on a tripod, or you can also place your lanyard right here. And this is how you would attach your lanyard, just like this. Easy to keep up with this, like that. And here it is. So you got a cap on your front lens to keep the dust and debris out. And they do have it attached here. So that's the easy way not to lose it. Very nice. You got a cap back here for your eyepiece. Now, I wish this was attached as well, so you don't have a chance of losing it. You can make adjustments right here as well. And you also have your knob right here. You guys see it says optical glass 12x42, 96 meters to 1,000 meters. And so you can do this one-handed. If you're holding it, you'll be able to adjust it like that. So very nice quality, feels great. Now, I'm going to take it outside, guys. Let's go outside with this, and I'll tell you what it looks like. And maybe if I can, I'll show you, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to, get my camera to look through the lens. But we'll go outside and test it out. Let's go. Okay, guys, so I'm going to take the monocular and look around out here. I'm kind of on the river, base of the river here. I'll let you guys know how they operate out here. Okay, guys, so this has been my look at the Amither 12x42 Monocular Telescope. Very nice unit here, man. As I was looking at things through the eyepiece, they look very clear, very easy to adjust the focus knob right there. Nice grip on it, small, compact, gonna be easy to transport. If you're somebody that like using this for bird watching, sports, hunting, fishing, whatever outdoor activity you want to use this for, or indoor if you're at like a football game or something like that. This is going to be nice. Got your two caps here, keep dust and debris out for your lens there, and you got one here for your eyepiece, which is very easy to adjust as well. You get your nice lanyard right here also. So very nice unit here, man, that I'll recommend. The price is great as well. So I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below. If you guys want to go pick this up, Will H. I'm out.